The Schluter Dilex BWS Surface Movement Joint Profile accommodates movement within the tile field. The profile eliminates the use of sealant and protects tile edges, resulting in a permanent, maintenance-free installation. Dilex BWS matches common grout joint widths and is available in a variety of colors to match grout selection, allowing it to blend into the tile field. The first step towards a successful project is planning. In this example, we have selected the tile and corresponding profiles and determined the overall layout. The Dilex BWS movement joint will be installed within the tile floor. The Dilex EKE movement joint will be used at the floor-to-wall transitions and inside the wall corner. For finishing the wall tile, we will be using Schluter Rondeck. We selected the Dilex BWS size according to the thickness and format of the adjacent tile. In addition to tile setting tools, be sure to gather the appropriate cutting tools for the profiles. Depending on the profile materials, different tools will be required. The plastic Dilex BWS profile is easily cut using Schluter snips or similar. The planning is now complete, and we're ready to prepare for installation. The floor has been prepared to receive tile, including installation of the Schluter Ditra uncoupling membrane. The anchoring leg of the Dilex EKE has been cut to avoid overlap with the Dilex BWS. Anchoring legs must be cut in a similar fashion in applications where Dilex BWS profiles intersect. Measure from the Dilex EKE profile at the floor-to-wall transition and transfer the measurement to the Dilex BWS profile. Cut the profile to length with the snips. Make sure the blade is sharp enough to help ensure a clean cut. Dry fit the prepared section of Dilex BWS to ensure a proper connection with the floor-to-wall transition profile. The preparation of the Dilex BWS is now complete, and installation can begin. We have already installed the Dilex EKE movement joint profile at the floor-to-wall transitions, as well as the wall tile. Once proper fit is confirmed, the Dilex BWS is installed in conjunction with the tile. Using a notched trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the area where the Dilex BWS is to be installed. Press the anchoring legs of the profile into the thin-set mortar and align. Trowel additional thin-set mortar over the anchoring legs to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges. Solidly embed the tiles so that the tiled surface is flush with the top of the profile. The profile must not be higher than the tiled surface, but rather up to approximately 1/32 inch lower to avoid wear. Continue to set the floor tile. Leave a joint of approximately 1/16 to 1/8 inch between the tile and the profile. The installation of the Dilex BWS is now complete. With proper planning and execution, the Dilex BWS movement joint profile will provide a permanent, maintenance-free alternative to sealant that protects tile edges at field movement joints.